Hey guys, JR Fisher here. It is a nice, bright and sunny Saturday morning. I'll let you kind of look around here. I'm down at downtown San Diego right now, and I want to talk to you a little bit about your weekend. How's it going? Hope you had a good week and all that good stuff. But you know, what are you doing with your weekend? This week we were quite busy. I know I worked till late last night. Got to work a lot next week. Got a lot of stuff going on. Got some clients coming into town and all that. But you know, the weekends are the time where most people will take off and they don't work, and they sit around. Maybe they watch the game. Maybe they watch some movies. Do different things they want to do. But they don't work on the weekends. I'm obviously doing something today because I'm not at home, right? It's early on a Saturday morning. I'm not at home. I'm actually heading to a mastermind course, class, I don't know, group, whatever you want to call it. Bunch of people get together from a whole bunch of different places around the world. We sit around, we share some ideas, and we try to improve our business. So hopefully I can help somebody else in that group, and maybe I'll learn something from somebody else too. That happens a lot. I learn a lot. So that's a great reason to go, but I go to help other people. And then if I get the advantage of learning something from somebody else, that's cool too. So, if you want to get ahead, guys, I'm going to get the right light here so you can see me. There you go. If you want to get ahead, the only way to do this seriously is for you to actually work on the weekends. You got to do that. Now, some of you may say, well, I work 6 days a week. I only get 1 day off. Yeah, I know, and I was there too. Sometimes I'd work 7 days a week, and you can't do it then, unless you do it after work, which is not a bad idea either. But the point is, if you take off every weekend and you're not working and you're complaining about your situation, it's your own fault. You got to do something, right? You got to do something. Like I don't have to be at this mastermind this weekend. My bills are paid, everything's cool, and got some money in the bank and all that good stuff. I don't have to be here. But I want to be here because I want to accomplish something. I want to grow more. I want to make my business bigger. And I know the only way to do that is to learn more and do more. And how often? Every single day. Every single day. So, don't take off a day. Don't take off a weekend. Don't waste your time when you've got all this valuable time. Get out there and do something. It will come back to you. It may not come back to you that day. But certainly over time, if you do it every day, every week, all day long, don't screw off. You're going to get some return. So anyhow, I'm going to head over to my meeting. I just want to share that little thought with you. I want you to kind of think about how much time you've got, because you've got a lot. You just may not realize it. I'm going to this nice historic hotel across the street here, where we're all going to meet in a nice ballroom and have a great time, I'm sure, for the next couple days. I hope you guys have a great weekend. Hope this helped you out. If it did, do me a favor, like it, share it, comment on it. If you got any questions about e-commerce and internet marketing and selling stuff online, hey, hit me up right there in the comments. If you do that, I'll get a notification. Doesn't matter if it's live, doesn't matter if it's a week later, a month later, I'll see it and I'll answer you. And I would really appreciate if you would share this on your timeline. Just hit the button, only take you a second. You see it right there, right? Right there, just hit that button, right? Share this. Give me some comments there and give me some feedback, and I really appreciate it. You guys have a great weekend. I'll talk to you soon.